Today we are going to create a mobile navigation menu using React. Let's see the project. See, it's very easy navigation menu. We can create this using a few lines of code easily. So let's do it. Okay, I'm going to create white app npm create white at latest. I will use Tailwind CSS. Use this directory. I'm gonna use React JavaScript. Okay, and I will install React icons. You can copy this, go to the src index css, remove everything, paste. We don't need this app css. Okay, we can wait few seconds until this completed, and then we are going to install the Tailwind CSS. Now it's done, and we can install Tailwind CSS. Now we can copy this, go to the Tailwind config, paste it. Right, go to the app CS, remove everything, create new, can run the application. We don't need this. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. Create a folder called components. So that we can create the header. Import the header. Now we are good to go. Okay, we can minimize this and this. Now I'm going to give few style to it. I'm going to give it a minimum height of screen and background color neutral 800. Okay, and position will be relative. Now inside the header, I'm going to make it a header tag, and now inside the header I will have the nav. Inside nav I will have a logo. Next I will have list. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dial. Should be good. We don't need portfolio. This field will be good. Okay, right, now we can go to the header. I'm going to give it width of full, and for the now I'm going to give max width of screen of XL. Okay, max will be auto, margin inline will be auto, padding will be 5 in the smaller screen, and in the medium screen padding will be 10. Okay, and the height will be 24, which will be 96 pixels. Okay, and also I'm gonna make it a flex. Make it flex. Justify space between. Okay, good. And items will be set. Align items will be sent. Okay, that's the logo. I'm gonna give it text of 2XL. Okay, font semi bold. Okay, color will be white. Color will be white. For the list, I'm gonna give it class name. Okay, I'm gonna give it flex and gap of 10. Okay, text will be white. Good. Now the desktop header is good. We have to make the mobile header. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this in a small device so it will be hidden. The medium will be flex. Okay, right now it will be hidden in smaller device. So copy this below the nav. I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to hide it in and we'll make it flex. Okay, flex direction will be column. Okay, height will be X screen. Okay, position will be absolute. Okay, top will be 0, right will be 0. Okay, width will be 80. Okay, BG will be neutral 900. Okay, padding top will be 28. Okay, padding left will be 10. Text will be 2 Excel. Excel will be fine. Good. Now we need to hide it off the screen. So what I'm gonna do is instead of this, I'm gonna make it like this, and then I'll have a state name is now open. Default it will be false. So come down here, see is now open. Then what I need is if the nav is open, translate X will be 0, else translate X will be full. So I have to hide it. I'm going to go to here and overflow X will be hidden. Okay, now I need a button to get to the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here, I'm going to create a button. Okay, the button will have a class name medium, it will be hidden. So I'm going to check is now open. If it is now open, display this, else display this. If the nav is open, we need to close it. So I'm gonna CG close. I'm gonna use CG close, else GI hamburger menu, J hamburger menu. Okay. Yeah. Text will be 4XL and text will be white. Nice. And what I need to do is on click set is now open to the opposite of is now open. Yeah, I'm gonna give a set index of 10. Okay, now come here, give a transition to all and duration make it 300. Yeah, the project is complete. It's very easy. There's another way that we can create a custom hook to know whether we are in a mobile screen or not. But this is the easiest approach. Yeah, the project is done. Thank you very much for watching this video and subscribe us. Thank you. Bye bye.